Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today for the Thankful and Grateful Open Collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Co-hosts are Donna Decor and More, Dream with Caroline, and me, Jennifer at Home. Today I'm having a couple of friends over and we're going to have a nice little lunch, just something simple but really fun. I want to make sure that I tell my friends every so often how grateful I am and how thankful I am for them. So today I'm going to put together a little luncheon with some salad and with some sandwiches and a little dessert, and we're just going to hang out and visit and spend some time together, and then I'm going to be sending them each home with a special little gift of my appreciation and my gratefulness. Let me show you how I set up my table for this special little luncheon tea party. I always think of a color scheme that I'm going to go with when I decorate my dining room. Today I'm going with green, white, and pink. I'm keeping things very simple, but going with a Winter Wonderland theme. I'll be adding in everything in white and pink on the green tablecloth. I am so excited for my friends to get here. I have a wonderful chicken dish in the crock pot, and I'm going to be serving this chicken over rice. I'll also be serving some little cheese sandwich rolls to go with the wonderful chicken and rice dish. Here I have my homemade almond flavored Christmas cookies. I just made these Christmas cutout cookies for my guests today. It didn't take any time at all to set up for this wonderful tea party. I'm going to have so much fun catching up today with my friends. I also brought out these snowflake glasses for our drinks today. I'm going to be serving ginger ale with our luncheon. Even though it's winter time, I added a couple little flowers into the cloth napkin. I thought this would be a really nice touch to go along with our pink, green, and white theme. And I also have a little gift bag here with some Christmas earrings for my friends. I had so much fun participating in this really fun collaboration. I'm really glad you were here, and I would appreciate it so much if you would check out all of the participating channels listed below, and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.